was never attention sweet center. I still remember that boy. He's imperfect, but he tried. He is good, but he lies. He is hard on himself. He is broken and won't ask for help. He is messy, but he's kind.